Good morning, folks. This is Lonnie.Bowers, 5-star sales consultant, Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. A little bit wet, but I'm going to bring you this 2015 Grand Design Solitude. It's a 369 RL, beautiful coach. For what we have this thing priced at, it is a steal. This thing is brand new inside and out. Tags are steel on the furniture. Just a wonderful coach, great, huge underbelly storage, beautiful exterior, auto leveling system, frameless windows. I'm going to take you inside and show you what it is. Folks, when you walk in this coach, the first thing you're going to notice is how immaculate it is from top to bottom, front to back. You got solid surface countertops, beautiful furniture, kind of a caramel brown with dark wood and light wallpaper, light countertops. You're going to notice when you come in this coach that in the rear there is no couch or chairs, so you can kind of custom make this the way you want it. It does have the recliners by the dinette, but in the rear where you would normally have a couch or chairs, there is nothing. Fireplace, nice large TV, great size pantry. You got a double sink, 4-door refrigerator, countertop over underneath some cabinets, uppers and lowers next to the refrigerator, as well as your center island and your countertop next to your stove. Lots of storage, both in the slide outs as well as in the rear of the coach and your pantry and your overheads. As you walk up the stairs to the bedroom, you're going to find your bathroom on the left. It's ample sized bathroom with good storage, large walk-in shower. Back in the bedroom you have a king size pedestal bed, huge closets, and a nice 6-drawer chest of drawers. This is a beautiful coach. It is in immaculate condition. Again, I know I say that a lot, but it is gorgeous. It has the MCD roll-down shades, and again, just a nice coach. Thanks for taking the time to come visit us and myself here at Guaranty RV. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Again, my name is Lonnie.Bowers. You can reach me at 458-210-4130. Thanks again for coming.